Alrighty, Ipsy, February, Glam Bag Plus. This is $28. Let's see what's in it. Okay, so you get to pick 3 out of the 5. And I believe I did add-on, so I'll let you know. Okay, this was the Verso, or still is, Verso Day Cream with Retinol 8. Verso's a great brand. 50 mLs. Simple packaging right here. And I like this. Full-size products. All 5 products are full size. So there's some great skincare right there. Some moisturizer. All right. Next is the Cleanest Lab. I've been seeing people get this. Okay. Leave-in conditioning spray, silicone-free, all the good stuff. 3.6 fluid ounces. High performance. Smells super clean, and it's taped. So there's that. All right, next, the Rue, number 3. Oh, so there's this new thing on Ipsy, right? You get to boost your experience. I forgot what it's called, boost something. So you pay a little extra, right? But you get a really great, high expensive, luxury type brand. It's a lot of words. So my boost was the Drunk Elephant. I love Drunk Elephant, but super pricey. I think worth it, but this is the F-Bomb. Electrolyte water facial mask. Soak and revive. I've tried the minis and I liked everything. So this is the F-Bomb. If you want to see more about this, let me know in the comments. We'll talk about it. Here's the bag for the month of February. I really like it. It's giving gem, like, I don't know, jewels. Self-love is the best love. Yes. You are loved is the month theme. Doesn't say anything in the card though. Okay, another great product, Kate Somerville, all skin types, exfoliate. I mean, the packaging is like all busted up, but whatever. I've gotten a million of these. I've heard it's really good, super pricey. Let me tell you how much my bag was worth. Okay, so the whole bag is $365 worth of products. Like I said, 5 products, and I got the Boost, so that's number 6. And then Fenty Baby, love her. This is Latte Lips. This is Beauty by Rihanna, okay? It's the Pro Kisser. Okay, we gotta hurry up. And then the last item in the bag is the Fenty Beauty mascara. Haven't tried this. This is 'Cause I'm Black. And then I did add on this Natasha Denona Cheek Duo palette. It's broken!